you don't ever have to deal with you tripping over wires because you about to cross over. See, I'm going to be using bad lighting throughout the entirety of this video because apparently my key light is the main topic of this video. If you're new to YouTube, you're probably familiar with this video light right here, the starter kit that everybody always seems to get when they first start YouTubing, right? And if you've ever been in one of these situations, you probably could relate. And it's corded and it plugs into the wall. And as long as you're stationary, as I am right now, you know, sitting on the couch, then it gets the job done, right? Where you start running into issues is where you no longer have any mains to plug into. Then you wish you had like a mobile setup, all right? Like the Godox, Aperture, you know, these flat panels. I'll leave links in the description. It's kind of like this, a little bit more sophisticated lighting. It's thinner than this. They don't use soft boxes, they use panels, right? It's like a big mat, right? Almost like the same size, only it doesn't come with this big microwave soft box as you see right here. But the caveat is you're gonna need to sell an organ or two to get you one of those, because not only is the old setup expensive, in order to be able to power it, you would need V-mount batteries and V-mount chargers as well, and that could cost a whole lot. Right? So to be able to remedy it, because that's exactly what Circus here for, I'm gonna show you in this video how to turn my $20 YouTube video starter kit into a mobile setup. This thing is so good, I went ahead and bought the second one, and it'll come in a box like this. So stay tuned, you don't want to move a muscle. All right, so how you want to go about it is you grab you one of these called the intelligent inverter, all right? It works with Makita battery. So you want to grab you one of these Makita battery here, and it'll be a whole lot easier for you if you're already in the power tool ecosystem of Makita, right? So it'll work for Makita guys, it will work for Milwaukee guys. If you're a Bosch guy, DeWalt, I already have this converted and it looks weird right now. So you grab you one of these. Right? I'll leave links in the description from Ali or Temu, right? At the bottom there. So your battery goes into that, as you can see, boom. And this janky thing you see right here is like the hook that I made so that you could easily hang the whole setup on your tripod. I made that with a Dremel tool. I just drilled a hole here and got me one of this old cloth hanger, drilled a hole here and bent it over with my pliers, and voila, we got a hanger. So immediately you slap it on, you got your switch, and it starts displaying the current voltage, as you can see. All right, so it takes 3 USB-C ports. It takes regular plug. That's exactly what the selling point is to me, okay? As your 220 out here in Europe, so in other parts of the world, it might be 110 voltage. And yeah, so you turn it on and you see your current voltage. And this is the bulky stack battery, okay? That's and you can also get one of these flat third-party Makita batteries. Makes it a whole lot compact, as you can see. And it's as simple as that. All right, so you want to take the end of your, so instead of plugging into the wall, you plug in, oops, into that, and voila. You got a mobile setup. See, I told you. So you just take this right here, just hang it right here, okay, and you got your mobile setup. Okay, doesn't get any better than this. I always find ways to make life easier, and that's why I set up this YouTube channel right here. Let me change this because it's a little too warm for my liking. Set the auto. What does it look like? Dimmed. And that's my new setup, okay? I have a comprehensive video coming up, all right? It'll be in the description by the time this video premieres. It's a whole lot better upgraded unit than this fluorescent bulb that comes with this YouTube video light starter kit, okay? Like, check out this old spiral fluorescent one right here with 125 watts. I dare you sit in front of this for 30 minutes. You'll be sweating balls. I mean, it gets the job done. It got the channel to where it is today, so I'm not gonna act like an ungrateful bastard. So only when it's time to move on, it's time to move on. It is loud and it consumes a whole lot of energy compared to this one right here. All right. So that's 125 watts, and this right here is only 85 watts, and you can tell the difference in the brightness. Doesn't get too hot after a few minutes of use. Let me just turn the light off right now and show you guys what it looks like. Look at it. I could touch it, all right? Doesn't have any fan. That's a little too hot. It gets hot, but not so hot, right? That you cannot screw it, okay? All right. It'll come with this remote right here. You got the on, auto button. That's the daylight, your Kelvin's up, and then you can increase the intensity like this so you can control it from afar. You could press auto, right? Just toggle between settings. You could dim the light, put it at 20%, 50, 100. You could get cold, warm, white light, all right? Just the way you see fit, all right? You could just increase or decrease the intensity. All right, you could turn it off from afar. Yeah. All right, that package right here makes the whole thing a whole lot more mobile. It's got these fins for heat dissipation. Just be aware though, it doesn't have any name or label on it, so it's like a no-name type LED light. So if you want to see a comprehensive review of this bulb right here, it uses like a E27 screw that screws onto your regular video light. Just let me know in the comment section so I can make a proper review of this particular remote unit right here. Moving on. Yeah, but that's not what today's video is all about, okay? Today's video is converting your regular YouTube starter kit into a mobile setup. So you don't ever have to deal with you tripping over wires because you about to cross over. Now I can move it over and I don't have to worry about tripping or anything as such. And not only that, all right, now let me show you all the benefits of this inverter. So you could go ahead and plug your anything that uses USB-C or just the regular USB, right? Like your iPod, for instance. This thing is so good. I went ahead and bought the second one, and it'll come in a box like this. Doesn't really matter. It's just because the unit is by itself, okay? So you go ahead and slap a flathead battery inside. Turn on the light. All right, displays the current voltage. The battery is already depleted. All right, so you go ahead and take the end of the USB-C, plug it in, and boom. One more time, because I guess you guys missed that, okay? So check this out, folks. Plug this in, and see that? And just a minute, folks, just a minute. Laptop. So instead of plugging it into the wall, plug it right inside. And it's showing you the current being drawn in real time right there, all right? So I see your regular cube that plugs into the wall. And now I plug the other side into our laptop and we got juice flowing. Now check this out. All right, and this particular one doesn't make sound, but you could probably see it right there. All right, now take it out, boom. Disappears, put it back in. See that? Sure you can make it out. I mean, just, if you're convinced, I don't know what else to tell you. And then you could go ahead and plug in your, I don't know, what you want to charge. Plug in things like your clipper, for instance. You charge your headlight, as you can see here. Doesn't matter. Your microphone, as long as it uses USB-C port, it'll fire it up. No issues at all. It's pretty light, doesn't use any fan. It's easy to use. It costs next to nothing. It's so 15 bucks, between 10 and 15 bucks. You could actually convert this, the light right here, I could convert this because it uses USB-C as well. Okay, all right. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. The inverter, all right. What is the name once again? The intelligent inverter. Okay, if you want to see how I transform my old YouTube setup where I relied mainly on my key light to a much more cinematic light setup, I'll have a comprehensive video coming up on the same channel, so just stay tuned. I'll break everything down from the backlight that I'm using, and then the air light, the key light, and of course, together with the compact mobile setup that I have right here. All right, so stay tuned on the Circuits channel. The video will be coming up not so long from here. So, all right, links in the description. I'm Saki, signing out. That's my time. See you in the next video. Peace.